Hello friends. Welcome to this video where we will be discussing the role of passive income in financial freedom. Financial freedom is a goal for many people, and passive income can play a critical role in achieving that goal. In this video, we will explore what passive income is, why it's important, and how you can start building your own stream of passive income. What is passive income? 1. Passive income is income earned with little to no effort on the part of the recipient. 2. It's income that is generated automatically and requires minimal maintenance or effort to keep it flowing. 3. Examples of passive income include rental income from investment properties, dividends from stocks or mutual funds, or income from a business you own but don't actively manage. Why is passive income important for financial freedom? 1. Financial freedom is about having enough income to cover your expenses without having to work. 2. Passive income can provide a source of income that can help you achieve financial freedom. 3. The more passive income streams you have, the less dependent you are on your job or other active forms of income. 4. This gives you more flexibility and security in your financial life. How to build your own stream of passive income? 1. Invest in dividend-paying stocks or mutual funds. 2. Rent out a room in your home or invest in rental properties. 3. Create and sell digital products, such as e-books, courses or printables. 4. Invest in a peer-to-peer lending platform. 5. Start a business that can be run passively, such as an e-commerce store. Conclusion. Passive income plays a crucial role in achieving financial freedom. It provides a source of income that requires minimal effort to maintain and can help you achieve financial independence. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, digital products, peer-to-peer lending, or passive businesses, you can start building your own stream of passive income. Start small, be consistent and have patience, and you can achieve financial freedom. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the role of passive income in financial freedom. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please leave a comment below. Please subscribe if you are new to this channel. I wish you the best of luck on your financial freedom journey.